Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to change to white background. So if you want to change white background in NanoCAD, you can type OP and then press enter to be show for option dialog box. In color setting, you can click on model space color, click modify, and then you can change white color. Click OK, and then you can apply. So it will be automatically changed into white background. To change again into black, you can click modify, click black color, click OK, and then you can apply. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to change to white background. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.